welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry's Cooking World. Today we are going to make a street style homemade Malai chaap tikka recipe or Afghani chaap recipe. Please watch the video till the end. Now let's start with the marination. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh yogurt in a bowl. Only take thick yogurt. Now add fresh cream. I am adding 2 tablespoons of thick fresh cream. After this, add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon salt, coriander powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of soya chaap masala, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon Kasoori Methi, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. I have mixed all the ingredients of marination properly. Now add the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon. Now I am adding half kg soya chops to the marination. Make small cuts on the chops so that they will get properly marinated. Chops are mixed with the marination. Now place it in the middle of the chops. Now take a hot burning charcoal, place it over it. Now very carefully put 2-3 drops of oil on it so that it will generate smoke. Immediately cover it. Oil is hot. Now I am going to place the chops for shallow frying. Fry until they become golden brown in color. They are fried properly from one side. Now it's time to cook the another side. Turn the chops. Now they are done properly. It's time to take them out. They are done from one side. It's time to turn them. Now they are done from both the sides. It's time to take them out. In the same pan, I'll saute some onions. Capsicum. Now they are done. Add the leftover marination. Fresh cream. Switch off the flame and add yogurt. Now mix it well. Now add all the chops in it. Mix it well. Now add fresh coriander leaves. So as I said, this is a homemade street style Malai chaap recipe. Serve it with ring onions and green chutney, and trust me, it is very tasty.